I'm Keysa. I'm going to make paper helicopter experiments. I want to compare and see how they fly and how they spin.
Imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves. Why?
A round shape like this, how it will spin. I've made two paper helicopters. They are the same size, they are medium size. So I want to compare and see how they fly and how will they spin. So these are the difference.
It helps the speaker lead his audience.
Let's try to launch them and let's see how they fly and how they spin.
By creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
From this experiment, I found out from these three kinds of paper helicopters, this one, and this one. The paper helicopter with paper clip flies better and spin better than the one with no paper clip. But the paper helicopter that is round shape flies and spins better than the one with paper clip. I think that the round shape paper helicopter flies and spins better than these two. That's what I think. How about you?